Morning students, I think you all are safe. As you know, this week is Mother's Week, so we are going to make a beautiful gift for your mother, a surprise gift. So, shall we start? First, to take a paper like this, or you can take a paper like this, make it half. I have made it half, and then you can fold it with the help of, आप इसको fold कर सकते हैं with the help of a pen or a pencil. Do it like this. You have to roll it and roll it like this. And after that you have to take out your pen like this. You will get a roll. Make a roll. So we have to apply फेविकॉल to stick it. इसको चिपकाने के लिए हम फेविकॉल का इस्तेमाल करेंगे और फिर इसको फेविकॉल की मदद से इस तरह से पेस्ट कर देंगे. So we have pasted. I have already make 5 this types of rolls. Now we are going to start. We have to take 2 rolls so that we can paste it or make it like this. See, so for that we have to cut it from a tip from that like this, and like this. See, now we will paste this. Look, like this. So we apply फेविकॉल. हम इस पर फेविकॉल अप्लाई करेंगे ताकि ये पेस्ट हो जाए. और जिनके पास ग्लू गन है, they can use glue gun also. Look. Now we take more 2 rolls like this, and we have to just put like this, ये देखने के लिए कि ये बराबर हैं कि नहीं. देखिए अब ये बराबर लग रहे हैं. Now we should apply फेविकॉल so that it can paste. You can use glue gun too, or you can stick with a फेविकॉल also. Sorry, tape with cello tape. Look, we can paste it like this also. So we will left over for a minute so that now ये चिपक गए हैं. अब हम इसकी हेल्प से इसको टर्न करेंगे. Look, like this. अब हम इस पर now we will paste these 2 rolls here with the help of फेविकॉल. Now second roll we can paste over here. Now we will left it for dry. We make it now. One thing we make it. We have to make heart shape. Look, we have to fold it paper like this, and we have to cut a heart like this. and then cut it with a scissor, so that you can get a heart. Look, we have cut a heart like this. So I have made 2 hearts like this. I have already cut 2 hearts like this, and we have to take a thread. जितना लंबा आपको बांधना है उतना लंबा आप एक थ्रेड ले सकते हैं, और we have to paste a thread between these 2 hearts. Look, and we have to paste these 2 hearts like this. We left for it to dry, then we will cut mom, the word mom, which I have already cut, but you can cut it by draw here mom with a pencil. You have to draw a 3D letter. Look, like this. Like this. So I have already cut these 3 letters MOM. Now we will paste this. M O and N. Right? Now we will take that heart, and we can paste a photo over there, or we can we can write I love you also there. So I am pasting a photo of my family. If you have photo of your mother and with you also, then you can paste it. And the second, at the back of this heart, I am writing I love you. Now we will stick this to here. हम इसको यहाँ चिपकाएंगे. अब इसको फेविकॉल लगाएंगे पीछे और इसको चिपकाएंगे यहाँ पर. ठीक है. और अब थोड़ा सा इसको और थोड़ा डेकोरेट करते हैं. एक मैंने छोटा सा फ्लावर काटा है, आप और दूसरे डिज़ाइन में भी काट सकते हैं. और अब इसको with the help of Fevicol we can paste here. Look, this is looking so beautiful. Now देखिए अब ये पेस्ट हो चुका है, सूख चुका है. It's looking beautiful. Look, we can gift it to your mother, and we can hang it like this and on a wall. It's so beautiful. Your mother will be happy to see you when you will gift her this type of gift. Thank you.